Okay, so we're going to start removing some braces on demand 3D printed brackets, and we're just using a regular bracket remover here, grabbing below the base, trying to get that base off. Sometimes if you just grab the wings of the brackets, the wings can break off and you've only got then you have the base still stuck to the tooth, which isn't that big of a deal because those are so easy to grind off because of the type of brackets they are. But we just go through with a normal bracket remover to get those off. And we're going way back to the 7s. You can use an angled bracket remover for that, but we prefer just to get back there with the regular bracket remover that